Hey, everybody. Jeffrey Beamer here, Senior Investment Strategist over at ewotrading.com. Welcome to Pro Trader Tips for today. We are focused on being consistent in your trading process. We do this on a regular basis. And I want to talk about our Delta Neutral Breakout portfolio really quick. This is a portfolio where we provide earnings alerts for our customers, and we are looking for stocks that are going to move big through the earnings announcement. And we are looking at a trade that we did just 1 week ago, all right, for our customers. And we are looking at trade ID 1357. This is a long strangle on Urban Outfitters. And if we take a look at the alert, it went out on November 26th. Okay, the alert was for a strangle on Urban Outfitters here. And what you're looking at here is an option modeling software, and we are looking at the stock chart on the left and the risk graph on the right. This shows us where our break evens are. And you can see our debit here was just $260 per strangle. Okay. So one of the things about doing this type of strategy around earnings is oftentimes straddles and strangles get very expensive on stocks. But I wanted to show you this particular example because even smaller accounts $10,000, and even a little bit less can participate in this type of strategy. So for Urban Outfitters, as you can see here, it was just $260 was our debit. All right, so we did 2 contracts on this, and we're going into earnings. We're expecting a big move on the stock. And let's see what happened here. The exit alert went out 1 day later, okay, on the 27th. All right, and I showed the stock chart just at our exit level. Okay, and I sent out an alert to exit the trade at market as a market order, best efforts. But let me show you what happened after that alert went out. All right, so here is a current snapshot of the chart. Here is the earnings date. You can see we exited early in the morning when the stock was down here after the gap around that $45 level. But look where it closed. It closed up here around 47.5. And then if you happen to miss the alert on this particular trade, well, look what happened. You got even bigger returns, okay, on the stock as the stock has just shot up in value. But in the end, we profited very nicely on the trade. We exited at $9.60. All right. And you subtract out the original debit, and that is a $440 profit, which is an 84% rate of return. And by the way, this is on a hypothetical account portfolio of $10,000. So that $440 is a 4.4% return on portfolio in just 1 day. All right. So being consistent and allowing yourself to use proper money management in your trades is the important message here. So this is a particular trade that you could do on even a small account, and you can get big profits really quick when you do them around stocks that make big moves around earnings. So be consistent, use good money management. That's the message for today. Everyone have a great trading week, and I will come to you again next week with another Pro Trader tip. Take care.